Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on this foundation by KIKO Milano, and this is 2-in-1 foundation which has concealer as well as foundation. Let's see how it's gonna perform. So the product is very comes in a very nice luxury bottle, and it also comes with this sort of a brush which I'm just using it to apply directly on my face. However, I wanted to just take a little bit of foundation on my palm and then apply. However, I didn't do it because I wanted to test this brush quality as well. As you can see, it has given a really nice coverage to my face and actually covers the acne as well. However, I still do have certain places, uneven places, kind of marks. Let's see how I'm gonna cover it. This gives a very nice dewy look to your face, and I'm so in love with this foundation, guys. As you can see here, I'm gonna pick up my Maybelline all-time favorite age refined concealer, and I'm going to apply under my eyes and just going to brighten up all this area, and use the same beauty blender, damp beauty blender, to just even out everything. I have combination skin, guys. As you can see, this actually foundation gives a full coverage and it is not at all heavy on your face. Very lightweight formula. And yes, the catch comes here is the price point. Yes, of course it is slightly expensive, but what I would suggest is to actually invest on a very good foundation, because if your foundation is proper, then you have a flawless makeup, guys. So I'm just going to set my base using Maybelline loose powder. I'm gonna set everything with my Maybelline loose powder, and I'm just taking a little bit of highlighter, blusher and contour from this sugar palette. This is one of the must buy you should have, guys. This palette is so travel friendly and so affordable, and the product quality is so good. And I'm using my Swiss Beauty eyebrow filler, and I'm just going to layer this on my eyebrows just to fill in. And for my lips, I'm going ahead with Swiss Beauty HD matte lipstick. Absolutely love this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.